Um, so I probably could have started recording this earlier. And I'm in the middle of working on this billiards history website, and I haven't tested any of this yet, so we'll go ahead and see where we're at. Geez. Okay, well, anyways, forget about that. So I just installed this demo template theme, and it's for a winery, so it's putting all this stock content in, which I'm probably going to delete or change out. And this is a blank page that I already made, and so it's pulling out the main template, looks like. Probably, oh man, I don't know. I don't want to start a newsletter just yet. And I sort of like the fact that I'm using Oxygen. I got to change this. Got a lot of work to do. Got to change logos, got to change images, change text. So basically that's what I'm up to. So this is just like a snapshot in time. What I'm going to do is move this window over here. Pull these things up in here. Okay, so that way I can record what I'm doing. I'm going to minimize that. I can't see the screen. Okay, there you go. So now we're back here, and then this window, whoops, this little window needs to come down a little. All right. So what I'm doing now is I'm just having fun. I've got this new website builder called Oxygen, and I really like it. I really like it. It's pretty fast. I'm running it on a shared hosting account, but the best thing about it is it gives you complete customizability and sort of conforms to standard CSS. So anyways, what I'm doing now is I'm fixing this address, which might break my menu. We'll find out here. Is that changing? Oh wait, you know what? I can't do that. It won't let me do that because I know why. Well, I shouldn't be open on this page. What is this? Let's exit back to. We can change that later. Okay, so it's back to here. I want to get out of here, and I need to go to the trash. Oh, did I already trash it? I guess I did. All right. So what I'm doing now is I'm fixing this because I don't want it to be about to. I just want it to be about, and it wasn't usually. I think it wasn't letting me name it because there you go. Now you can name it. So now let's go to view page and see if it actually brings it up. Okay, so it is correct. So basically, I got to fill in content here, fill in content. I got to make a gallery. I don't even have images yet. Got to change the logo. I want to do a little obituary section because Poker Paul just died. I want to do an interview with Bernie. Put it here. This one. Oh yeah, some historical periodicals. Put them here, and then just different places. Historical, so they could be non-existent. But anyways, I don't have a newsletter set up. I don't even want to worry about that right now. I gotta worry about it though. I gotta start thinking about it. It's a good tool to have. I gotta make a privacy policy. I gotta update this. I gotta update that. So I got a lot of work. Anyways, that's pretty much it for now, except what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back here and I'm going to do a little housekeeping because basically this is a winery website template. So if I were going to build a winery, it'd be a lot easier because I could, I don't even know if they let you use these images or not, but it's just a demo more than anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a couple. Let's see, I need to figure out which of these two contact pages. Gallery, SEO bits I made, periodicals I made, restaurant. See, now these ones, I don't really need these pages, but the reason I'm not deleting them, and I'll show you, is because it has certain kinds of formats and layouts that I may reuse, but I don't need to necessarily use them from here. I can use them from the design library, but it's just sort of cool to see. So I don't want to delete these pages necessarily. I'm not making them linkable from the menus is what I'm doing right now. So you can see it says restaurant here, but there's no way to click up here to get to restaurant, and that's the way I want it. But because I'm anal and I'm going to do this. I'm going to add a new page. Call it Winery Demo. I'm going to get it a page attribute order of 10. Go ahead and publish it. And now you see if I open this page, it's just a blank page and there's no link to it still in the menu. Oops. And so now I'm going to close some of these other windows. I'm going to go back to the dashboard, back to my pages, and I'm going to select all the ones that look like it has to do with the winery. I think that's it. Okay, and I'm going to do a bulk edit. I'm going to make it parent page winery demo. I'm going to hit update. Now what that does is it just sorts them all under this winery demo page, and see it makes the list up top here. Whoops. It makes this list up top here more streamlined. I just got to figure out why I have two contact pages, which one it's actually using. So let's just view them both. So let's look at this one. Contact form goes here in future. And then let's do this one. This is probably the one that it created. Oh no, it's going to gallery? What the heck? Yeah, I clicked on the wrong one. Okay, so now I'm all messed up. So let's go to this one. Contact 2. Now this is the page I want to modify, if I even do. So it's called Contact 2. I want it to call Contact. I want to delete the other contact page. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go move to trash. Okay, now I'm going to go to the trash, and I need to delete it out of the trash permanently, or it won't let me use that URL because it'll be saving it. Then I can edit this page, and I can close this thing and go here and change that contact to just contact. And now you see it says contact, update it. Then let's view the page, and now notice there's no contact button. But if you look at the thing, it says contact. Now we can add that. And the reason, oh, look, it's down here at the bottom. See, I didn't update this. So we can get to the contact page by clicking here. We can get to these wine and event list pages by clicking down there. So I don't want that. So I need to modify this part. I still haven't selected a logo. I'm just going to modify this part to match the top. So how do we do that? Oh, and I should refresh this because I think our contact list, yeah, should be truncated. Oh, and then I was going to do this. I was going to edit this, put this as a -1 page order, because as a -1 page order, it'll sort up to the top of the list. So if I go back here to my page list now, you see it's at the top. So this is now mirroring what I have going on, or closer to what I have going here: about, books, gallery, people, periodicals, places. See, I did it alphabetically because that's how WordPress does it. About, books. Now contact should be at the end or not here. So what I'm going to do, since I gave the winery demo a negative or a 10, I'm going to give this a 9. So this will just push it down the list is all it's going to do. Okay, and so we go back, and then you see it's down here. So the privacy policy is a draft. And this obit should actually be underneath people. And so the reason that's important is it'll tie into the parent or the menuing system that's natively built in. So now if I look at this, well, it doesn't natively tie in entirely. You can see it's a submenu, but still, if I refresh this, there's not going to be a submenu because I have to change the template. So let's go change the main template now. So we go down here, Oxygen, Templates, And then we go to that main. And now I don't know if I should just copy and paste, edit with Oxygen. I don't know if I should copy and paste this because I've never done that before. Oxygen, I don't know if I should just edit. I don't know what's easier. So we'll figure this out. Okay. So now we're just editing the main part. So I think this thing, it says inner content, so we can't change that because that's from the post. This section I can change. So if I wanted to, we'll join our newsletter, and then I'll put coming not so soon. And then auction where I need to decide on a contact form plugin. Okay, there you go. And then I'm going to call this to be connected. This is my sense of humor. All right. Now I got to change all these images out. Oh man, delete this, whatever. I don't want to think about it right now because it's just too much stuff. But what I really want to do is deal with this doohickey down here. So notice it's pointing to the restaurant page and it says restaurant. So now what I want to know, can I just copy this bar, this element, like this div? Can I just copy this, duplicate it, and then what do I do? Oh shit, now I'm fucked. Let's undo it. What do we do here? Okay, so now I tried to Control Z and seeing what happens. There, okay, Control Z brought it back. So maybe, maybe I don't know how to copy and paste with this shit. No, it's not giving me the right. Oh, here we go. So what I do is this. Text link, text link, text link. Div image. Okay. So I want to go. Oh yeah, I can copy it. I can copy it. So if I went back, how did I do that? This div. And how did I copy it? Oh, I copied it from here. So I copied it. So now I have that same div here. So now I move that div. Oh shit. Footer down here. And I trash that thing. And now I should have the first half. Please tell me I do. It worked. Okay. So now I can come back here and this div tag. No, I don't see it selecting text link. I want to select div tag. There we go, div tag. Then I duplicate that. Now I have another div tag that I just drag down. Link wrapper, div. Then I think I just trashed that one. I don't even look to see what happened. I don't care. Looks like it worked. All right, so now let's go ahead and save this. Man, I'm enjoying this oxygen shit. It's actually like making sense to me. Oh, so many features and all these settings and everything directly just modify CSS. So that's pretty damn cool if you ask me. Now let's exit back to the front end. Take a look at what we got going on down here. And yeah, we got it. So our list of to-do items. Change the content out on the pages. Fix the logo. Change, this is the home page we're looking at. Get this newsletter going. That logo. Copyright. Got to put that in. And I might just leave that because I sort of like Oxygen. Anyways, this is Doug Wu with Wu Web Marketing and Multimedia. Just sort of stumbling through learning a new I guess it's a web framework for WordPress. And I guess it's a builder. I like that it disables the themes entirely and gives you complete customization, control, and conditions, all this stuff. It's pretty damn cool. Very cool. Anyways, fun.